Look at those. Look at these. These are kind of cool. Here's something cool. These are leopard print. Oh, these are really cool. They're like holographic. They're like a dragon scale. Look at that. So they've even got roller skates. You use them for skating. Oh, these are wild. See if they're the same price they were at the other show. Look at the blue on those. Reebok Question.
For my son, I buy for my nephew, I buy the shoe for everyone.
So here's a walk around of the shoe sale this year. And that's all purses, laundry baskets. This whole back wall of slides and sandals. There's thousands of pairs of them. I did these moon shoes this morning. Aisles and aisles and aisles. Oh, Christmas tree shoes. Look at that. Some wild stuff here. Look at how cool these are. They're like grass. Taco shoes. Rubber print. Look at all the shoes here. Aisles and aisles of wild shoes like these. Look at that. It's not easy being green. Ooh, those are wild. Oh, they got some wild stuff here. Look at those. Holy cow. Oh, these are pretty cool. There's so many shoes here. This is just one aisle. Endless aisles of shoes. Look at these. These are cool, huh? Oh, these are cool. So many shoes. Ooh, this actually is really cool. It feels like gum. There's so much here. Oh, look at these runners. Oh, those are wild. Shade sandals and more. These are really nice. There's iridescent coating on it. These are really soft. These are stylish. There's a lot of nice stuff here. There's a nice purple pair. It's like blue and red, but it gives the illusion that it's purple. It's really cool. Two chains. Oh, look at these. Shiny. Ooh, shiny. Get lit. Oh, it's Christmas box. These are very nice. Red, lots of nice colors. Holy cow, look at these green goblin shoes. Wild.
See this one out.